What's up everybody? Today we will be unboxing the Amaran Pano 60c 2-light kit. I'm hoping with this new lighting kit, lighting is going to be a lot better for YouTube videos, specifically unboxings and reviews. Alright, and as soon as you open up the kit, you see a lot of things wrapped up, so let's just break it down one by one. Looks like you get a little bit of a shoulder strap for this bag, which is kind of a relief because this is a pretty heavy bag. Next up, we got what looks to be maybe some stickers and setup guide. You do get 2 Amaran stickers here and a breakdown of how to use the panel lights and also a diagram of the contents within the package. Next up, we have these 2 packages which look to be the diffusers. Yeah, so these are the diffuser panels that come with the panel lights. So you do get 2 of these, one for each light. Up next, we have our softbox. Here's a softbox for one of the panel lights and the honeycomb grid as well. And we have our other softbox and grid. Put this to the side for now. Next up, we have our panel lights. And here is our panel light. Very nice little panel light, about the size of a small tablet. And here we are. I did go with the charcoal option. This also comes in white as well. Little divider for the panel lights. And here's the second one. Second panel light. Up next, we have our power cables, as well as the AC adapter bricks. We have 2 tripods for each panel light. Seem like decently sturdy tripods for the size and the overall cost consideration in the entire package. But it's nice that these things fold down. They did include an Allen wrench as well for tightening up the tripod. And the final 2 items in this kit are the Amaran mount adapters that adapt to a regular lighting mount. So in conclusion, this kit includes 2 Pano 60c LED light panels from Amaran, 2 diffusers, 2 soft boxes with a honeycomb to go with, 2 Amaran mount adapters, 2 tripods, all of the necessary powering equipment and AC adapters, and finally the bag that carries everything along with the shoulder strap. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.